ওকে, আজকে আমরা দেখবো প্রপার অ্যাডজেক্টিভস। একে তো প্রথমে আমরা দেখে নিয়েছিলাম প্রপার নাউন, তার মানে হচ্ছে স্পেসিফিক্যালি বুঝায়। সো সো what's so proper about them? The proper adjective is made from a proper noun. All proper nouns can be made into or used as proper adjectives. All proper adjectives are capitalized. First, name some proper nouns. Alabama, Mexico, India, Japan, North America. Proper adjectives would be Alabamian, Indian, Mexican, Japanese, North American. So the sushi is wonderful example of Japanese cuisine. এখানে adjective-টা হচ্ছে proper adjective. Copper Canyon is located in the Mexican state of Chihuahua. The United States is a North American country. Courtney Cox is a famous Alabamian from Mountain Brook. This woman is wearing an Indian shari. So আজকের জন্য এতটুকুই example of proper adjectives, kind of the same as proper nouns, but একটু different হচ্ছে যে that এটা describe করবে nounটাকে. So thank you so much. Hope to see you soon in the next class.